acrylic nail on. It's not yet. Hey peaches, welcome to a new vlog. So I just wanted to braid my hair, and today I decided to head to the market to get an attachment that I will use. I just want attachment that is very soft, so I decided to go to the market. How are you guys doing? How is your Christmas holiday coming along? So here I already got the attachments. I got a mixture of two colors. I wanted to go blonde, but I can't just go all blonde, so I decided to add a little bit of color to it. So here I was headed to the salon where I'm going to make my hair. I've been finding it difficult to really edit my vlogs. That's why I don't really upload every damn time, but I'm going to try as much as possible to upload new vlogs. So here I was losing my hair. I don't know what happened to my front hair. My front hair is just chopping for no reason. So well, I'm taking the supplements now, so I hope it helps. So I was making my hair and I decided to also paint my nails after washing my hair. So I just love washing my hair. If you guys have been viewing my other vlogs, you notice that washing my hair is always the best part of my maintenance day. Whenever I go to the salon, I just love a good wash, and they are always gentle on my skin here because I have dandruff, so most times my skin is itchy, but I'm trying to treat it. So here I've dried my hair and I'm waiting for the girl that will make my hair to actually blow out my hair and for it to dry properly and to start braiding my hair. I already made up my mind that I know I'm going to spend the whole day at this salon making my hair. So because I was like, okay, I'm going to do the hair for maybe about 5-6 hours, but it was just her that was available to braid my hair and she wasn't feeling so fine, so I told her to just take it gently. So this is what the hair looks like and I really like it. I decided to show you guys. So while we continued, at this point I was almost exhausted, but I just had to hold on because the hair wasn't be done. So here I had to just repaint my nail, like refill the nail, because I already have an acrylic nail on. It's not yet pulling away. I always carry my sunscreen whenever I'm making my nails, guys. Please don't forget to carry your sunscreen to the salon. Always apply it on your hands before you put your hand inside the nail dryer. Keeps you safe. So this is the nails that I did. Very pretty, I love. So here I was just praying for her to finish my hair and she was done. She wanted to apply an oil. I didn't want an oil on my hair because I already have an itchy scalp. So yeah, and I'm just waiting for her to style the hair, like pack it up, because at this point I'm having slight headache. This is my front hair, guys. I hope it grows better than this, you know. So she had to apply a little bit of edge control on the front of my hair, just to, you know, keep my hair going and just to lay my edges down. So I was headed home after that, and yeah, that was how I spent my day. So hi, so you guys asked me for my skincare routine in 2025, which I think I'm going to take across 2026. Let me show you guys my skincare routine. Starting off with, guys, if this weather is too harsh on your skin, EOS. Like, I fell in love with EOS last year. This was the first this is like my third, this one is like my fourth bottle. So I fell in love with pomegranate raspberry, as you guys can see. So I later went to the mall to buy. I couldn't find pomegranate raspberry. I chose jasmine peach. They smell heavenly, I'm not joking. So I fell in love with jasmine peach and I used it again, and this is the newest one I got for the month of December from my friend that sells skincare in Lagos, because she's the one that sent it to me. I couldn't find it in the store here in Abuja. So guys, EOS, I'm a consumer. Please send me some products for December. Guys, if you're looking for any skincare that you will really love, to moisturize your skin, to hydrate your skin, to make your skin feel soft, please buy EOS. By the way, this is not a paid ad. I'm just showing you guys my skincare like products that I use for my skin. Guys, because we're broke, my skincare is very, 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 very affordable. So I'm going to show you guys for one important part of my skincare for years. It's more than 10 years, more than 15 years that I started using this. So this St. Ives. So this, I was shuttling between this and this. These are empty containers, by the way. So the EOS, 3 of them are empty containers. I'm going to cut them open and scoop any remaining products because I really love my EOS and none of them will go to waste. So for this St. Ives, I had so many containers, I threw them away. This is the current one that I'm using now. So this brightens your skin, energizes your skin, you know, it's a body wash and I really, really love it. So these 3 are empty containers. Let me show you guys the one. So this is the latest one that I bought recently and it's still full, as you guys can see. So I really, really am a fan of St. Ives, and in case you don't know, very affordable. I wanted to put you guys on. I don't get skip around here. So another huge part of my skincare, I make my body scrub by myself. So and I put it in this container. I either put it in the fridge, not for it to freeze. I just put it in the like cool part of the fridge, or I just drop it in the bathroom. So this is my body scrub. I mix my body scrub by myself. You can buy any commercial scrub that you like, but a huge part of my skincare, I don't forget to scrub my skin 3 times a week, a day in between, or 2 times a week, or once a week. I just don't forget to I don't miss scrubbing my skin in a week. So another huge part of my skincare, I love this simple face wash. As you guys can see, I'm wearing makeup. Whenever I want to wash my makeup, this does it for me. It like washes my face very, very clean. I'm not even joking. So I don't play with it. So it's part of my skincare, very affordable. Another huge part of my skincare this year is I use this roll-on. This is whitening roll-on for your underarm, and it's anti-perspirant, so you hardly sweat while on this. So I've been using it throughout the year. I think this one is finished. This one is still remaining. So huge part of my skincare. So I love having the toe bath. So I use the toe. This is a huge part of my skincare routine, my skincare products. So I always dip a little bit inside the water, especially on the days that I feel like I expose myself to dust, especially this Harmattan period in Nigeria. If you are in a dusty environment, dip in water and use to have your bath. So another huge part of my skincare, I don't play with my down there. So I always use this to wash down there so that it will be smelling fresh. So this is not a must. Some people say that it irritates them, but ever since I started using this, it has never irritated me. Why? Because I don't put my finger inside my body. I just wash the outer areas of my body. So if you know how to use it, you can buy it. In fact, one of my skincare that I don't play with once I step out of the bathroom is my sunscreen. I actually got this one this year. Never used it before, but I fell in love with it. The way it smells, the way it feels on this body. My favorite sunscreen. I don't play with it. So this year, what I do more is to double cleanse my body. So I wash my body with a tablet soap before I go in with my body wash. So I happen to be using Dove Sensitive Skin. This one is almost finished. So Dove Sensitive Skin, my favorite. Like I always grab it whenever I see it in the mall. So the newest part of my skincare haul is this. I got it from my friend in Lagos and she sent it to me. Guys, if I had known about this a long time ago, I would have grabbed it with my both hands. This is I've used it. This is the 3rd day I've used it for 3 days now, and I love the way it feels on my skin. oh my god, I'm going to be buying more of this. So before this was the toner I used to use. I'm not going to lie. So because I love affordable skincare that I can afford when I don't have money. So I didn't leave Dr. Rachel alone. It was working on my skin, so I just left it. But now this is my new love, and I don't mind giving up Dr. Rachel, guys. So yeah, this is now a huge part of my skincare. So another thing that I introduced to my skin, you guys might be aware because I talked about it in one of my vlogs, was these good molecules. So I introduced it to my skin this year, and my skin loved it, and we're going to continue in 2026. I really, really love it. So a huge part of my skincare that, I'm not going to gatekeep. I take this because I work out. I started working out this year. I work out, so I take this to balance my hormones. I normally have hormonal imbalance, so I take this, and I add evening primrose to it. So I don't take it all the time. I think this is my third packet this year, so I take it like once every like 4 months or something like that. So I take this is evening primrose. You guys, if you google evening primrose, helps with your acne. Like, this makes my skin fresh. My skin loves it. So another huge part of my skincare, I use a face cream. So this is a face cream I use. Some of you guys know this face cream. I just didn't give up on the face cream. I really love the way it treats my skin because yeah. So another huge part of my skincare, because my hair is also part of my body, I use this on my hair whenever I braid, whenever I do protective hairstyle. I just spray it on the roots of my hair because I have dandruff, and most times I have itchy scalp. So I just spray it and I leave it on my hair. It helps with my itchy scalp. So until I find something else that can suffice for now. So that's all about my skincare products that I use that makes my skin glow, as you guys can see. So I bought new skincare from my friend, and she gifted me. I really love. She added this. Oh, this is my Christmas gift from her. So these are the two skincare I got from her. She sells original skincare she's in Lagos, so you can search her on Instagram. So my annual comes with a seal showing that it's original. So this is my new favorite, as I told you guys. So that's all about this video. So could you ever wonder which one is your favorite skincare? Leave a comment for me in the comment section. If there's any of this product that I use that you have used and you like, or recommend any new skincare you think I should try out in 2026. And yep,